guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's product, we are trying a lash product. I was about to say lash lift, but it's really not. It's a lash extension kit. This is the Kiss Falscara kit, and it's meant to be a really easy way of giving yourself the lash extension effect. So you know how you can go to a beauty salon and you can get individual lashes put on, and they do look great on a lot of people. This is the at-home version of that. I have tried individual lash extensions before, and I know this is gonna sound creepy, but the reason I don't use them is that they really bother me in the night, and I end up just like pulling at them in the night and waking up to a pillow full of fake lashes. And obviously, because they're glued on individually, this is really bad for my lashes. I'm effectively pulling out my real lashes in the night. So I only ever tried the lash extensions twice. I couldn't do it anymore. It just didn't work for me, which is sad because all the lash extension girlies look amazing. I do like strip lashes, which is like your classic strip lash, you know, you stick it to the top of your eyelid. But I find with strip lashes, a lot of the time, if I don't stick them on right, they're always digging in on my inner corner, or it doesn't quite work out for me. I'm not overly inspired to use them, you know? So I saw this, and the girl who was applying them made it look so easy. So you don't stick them on up here like you would with a strip lash. You actually stick them underneath your lashes onto your lashes. I'm reading the pack now, and from memory, I think they're meant to last up to 3 to 5 days. But it doesn't say that on here. It's like, did I make that up? We need to Google this. Oh! Okay, so I'm now reading that Falscara is meant to be worn for the day and taken off before bed, and we don't recommend sleeping in them. The wisps can be used 3 or 4 times. However, okay, they do a product called the overnighter, which I couldn't actually get, and I'm going to show you this now because I'm a little bit annoyed. So this is the kit you can get in the UK. It comes with a lengthening set of lashes. It comes with the bond and the seal, which you need to put the lashes on, and it comes with the applicator. Let me show you what they're selling in the USA, because it's the exact same price and we're being scammed in the UK basically. You get 2 sets of the lashes. You get short, long, and medium. You get the bond and seal, you get the applicator, and the applicator has a cute ombre effect, and it's actually so much nicer. And you get the remover and the overnighter. Now the overnighter is meant to make the lashes stay on your eye for up to 10 days. So that's why I'm confused, because I've just read on their website it says we don't recommend sleeping in them, but you literally have a product where you can sleep in them. So I'm gonna have to do a bit more research on that one. The instructions are super easy. It even has photos. Okay, I didn't really feel like anything was going on, but I don't want to, oh, now that I'm blinking, I do. Okay. So lashes are on. It says you can use your finger to kind of press them on a bit more, or you can use this tool. Give them a little squeeze. Going back in with the seal side and just sealing that over the top. Okay, so it definitely works. I'm just not sure if I like it. I don't know if it's just me, but I feel like some bits look a bit clumpy, like especially here. And I noticed that when I was putting on the bond side, maybe for this eye, I need to be a bit more careful when applying the bond. Just make sure I separate my lashes a bit more, because I think it looks a little bit clumpy. I mean, look at this here. It's just like one thick lash. Doesn't feel sticky anymore. Feels super lightweight. And my eyelid just feels like a tiny bit heavier, but it's not uncomfortable at all. I am gonna try and do a better job for this eye. Ooh, that went on beautifully. Right, let's have a look. Let's see what's going on here. I will admit they are very comfortable. I think it looks very pretty. It does look very natural. I would be lying if I said I wasn't bothered by this super thick lash. I just don't know what that is. It just looks like a clump of lashes have glued together. I just realised I was gonna put lipstick on for this video, but clearly I just started and forgot. So enjoy the lip balm. My overall thoughts are that it was quite easy to use. It was definitely easier than applying a strip lash, that's for sure, but it still wasn't super easy, so I think they definitely got me with their marketing. I do think after a few tries I will have this down like that, and they do different kinds of lashes and I'm totally willing to try them. The overall finished look is very pretty, very natural if you're into that kind of thing. It does give the individual lashes effect. Looking in the mirror now, I can't really see the tracks underneath, but if I go looking for them, I can, but I literally have to go looking for them. Like, you're not gonna look at anyone on the street like this, you know, like, they're not gonna see the tracks. So I think that's fine. I know I said earlier that I probably wouldn't sleep in them. And it does say on their site that they don't recommend sleeping in them. However, I'm gonna sleep in them. Purely because, right, they have the overnighter and that's meant to make them last for 10 days. But if you can use the overnighter and sleep in them for 10 days, why can't I sleep in these for one night? My testing theory here, right, is I'm testing if I went out and I got drunk and I came home and fell asleep in them, how would they be in the morning? One last look before I carry on with my day. Yeah. Good morning, everybody. So it is the next day, and as you can see, I am not wearing the eyelashes. Now, I did try and sleep in them, but I remember the beginning of this video when I said the last time I had lash extensions, I picked them off in the night. I literally woke myself up this morning pulling at my own eyelashes and realized I had picked half of them off. So I just kind of was laying there half asleep and thought, well, I might as well go for it. But don't worry, I found them all in the morning. I have conveniently kept them on this little cotton pad. And I just thought, you know, they're meant to be reusable. Why don't I try and use them again? They look okay. They just look like used lashes. But sometimes even when lashes look a bit gluey, they can still look pretty good on. So I'm gonna put them on anyway. My lashes, when I woke up this morning, felt sticky. Not too sticky, but just like really gunky. They were all stuck together. It was pretty gross. I don't have the remover, so I just used a waterproof eye makeup remover and it was absolutely fine. Let me just grab it so I can show you. I used this Nivea Double Effect, like just a super simple waterproof eye makeup remover, and it came off straight away. So I don't think I need to buy the remover because this worked pretty good. Oh, oh, wait. We've got an escapee, people. I guess I gotta put a bit of Bond on. Where did it come off? Can you imagine if you went out and one little patch of lash was like, farewell? What do we think? What do we think? One thing that I'm really enjoying is because I have quite hooded eyes and I really don't have a lot of eyelid. There's not much to work with. And I feel like putting lashes underneath my lashes has given me, I mean, it's the tiniest amount more eyelid, but when you've got hooded eyes and like zero eyelid to work with, I will take anything I can get. I just think this suits my eye shape better and it suits my eye size better than regular strip lashes. I'll be completely honest, I'm probably gonna buy them again. I wanna try the different shapes, but I do kind of feel like all you need to buy is this, because if you had, I have strip lashes. I was gonna say, if you have strip lashes and you just cut them up and use this, Wouldn't it be the same thing? I'm gonna try it. Right, so the testing continues. I found some wispies. I feel like everyone has a pair of wispies. Just classic wispies, you know. They have been used. I don't mind cutting them up, so that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna take off one eye, I'm gonna cut up one of these, we're gonna apply it, and we're just gonna see how different it looks. And do you really need the whole kit, or do you just need this? All right, so I've cut the lash into 4 pieces, and I'm just gonna do the exact same technique. Let's give it a little push down. It also says you can squeeze with this little tool, which I will give credit to this little tool. There's no chance I'd be doing any of this without it. So the little tool is essential. And I don't think you could just, I mean, you could just use tweezers, but the shape of this just makes it so much easier. See, look, I have no fear. Squeeze. Squeeze. So this is the official eyelashes they provide. And this is a basic demi wispy. So basically, what I have gathered from this wonderfully scientific professional testing I have done today is that all you really need is to buy this and to buy this. You can use any lashes because I think these look just as good. I actually think they look better. Maybe it's just the shape of the lash, but like, what do you guys think? This side is the official side. This side is my wonderfully scientific test. I feel super content now. I feel like I've tested everything I would want to test, but if you guys have any more questions, drop them in a comment down below. I will link to everything down below, the whole kit that I got, the better kit that is available in the USA, and I'll link to just these 2 products in case anyone just wanted to get these to try it out and then maybe add on the others if you like them. Thanks again for watching, and hopefully I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.